today for Public Health on Wheels, we traveled to the works and learned all about the regenerative initiatives that they do at the works. It's really important for our students to go see these community organizations. It gives them ideas of what they may do in their career. It also gave them ideas for internships.
They give away a lot of free food, a lot of free fruits, especially in places that have food deserts. So when I see them giving back to these places, it goes directly back to public health, because I feel like that's what public health thrives to do, is to help people.
Are you able to produce enough supply to meet both your commercial clients and then the individual community needs? And I think it is an excellent example of public health in action. You have this small group of people in an organization that's not very large, but they do so much. And I just think it's beautiful to see the evolution of services they provide, to see how much they are invested in helping the community from where they come from. And overall, perfect example of public health in action, and I'm really grateful for that. I think it's basically just giving me options. It's shown me that public health is a lot bigger than what I thought it was, and that there are so many various fields in which me and my own unique subset of skills could probably contribute to.
I would definitely encourage other people to come. They gave a lot of information. Everybody had really good questions that they could ask. So it was fun to go out there. I would definitely recommend other people try to come out.
All of the things that we do actually affect public health. We don't categorize it as that because we don't necessarily think about it like that. We try to provide resources, fill gaps in communities where there is not even, equality or equity happening. So the importance of the students coming out of the classroom into the field with the Public Health on Wheels helps them see the work that's actually going on in the communities. Every year I've had University of Memphis interns come for the summer or for the spring semester. And for the farm, I think they have them year round. So they help us so much.